Hi everybody, Flash Crow here with a slightly different recording, really, different video. Just thought I'd let people know a way of improving the microphone quality or sound quality of your microphone if you're, like me, using a fairly cheap one. So let's just record something now. I'll just leave a few seconds of space there. I'll tell you why later. But anyway, let's just see how this sounds. I think now. I'll just leave a few seconds of space there. I'll tell you why later. But anyway, let's just see how this sounds. Right now, as you could see there was quite a bit of static in the background. You can see it along here. So the whole idea is to actually improve the quality of the overall sound and also to remove that static. So the first thing to do is make sure you select all of the clip, depending on how long it is. All you need to do is click on the left hand side, then go to Effects, and first thing is Compressor. Now you have to make sure that your settings are the same as these ones here, and to make sure that that first box is ticked. I'll have the information written down below anyway, so you'll be able to see it. And if you have any problems, just pause the video. So that's the first step, the compressor. Then we go to filter curve. And with the filter curve selected, we go to manage, factory presets, and we're looking for bass boost. We bring that down to 3 or close to it and do OK. Then after we've done that, again, we go to effects, back to filter curve, and this time, yep, you guessed it, we're going to go to factory preset and set treble boost. That's on 9, so we leave that at that and go through. Once again, we go to effect and then we choose normalize. Again, these settings and OK. Then yet again, we go to limiter. Click on limiter, make sure these settings, make sure you choose hard limit. And I think probably the most important one there, well, they're all important, but just check, make sure it's -4 and then do OK. So once we've done that, we're almost there. Now there's 2 ways that you can do this, but I prefer to go to amplify and drop that down. Whoops, drop it down to -7.3. At least that's the case with my my microphone. Otherwise, I find it is a bit too loud. Now we've done that bit of blank space that I told you I'd tell you about later, we select that, go to effect, and then go to find noise reduction. Make sure we've got 12, 6, and 3, and that reduce is selected, and do get noise profile. Again, then click on the left to select all of it, go to effect, noise reduction, and then do OK to apply that. And you'll see that's reduced that a bit. But if I play it, I think now, you'll see that there's still a little bit of background noise there. So just select it again, go to effect, noise reduction again, get the noise profile now, click off to the left, go to effect, just go to noise reduction and do OK. And you'll see that that's pretty much gone now. So if we play it now compared to what it was like earlier, I think now I'll just leave a few seconds of a space there. I'll tell you why later. But anyway, let's just see how this sounds. Now, I think that's quite a bit better. It certainly is less static around. You'll probably play around with the settings a bit more, but no need to. Well, I don't believe so. Just to let you know, on version 3.0.5, which is the latest version at the making of this video. The other thing, of course, once you've completed that, you need to export it as a WAV file if you're going to be using it in anything such as Premiere Pro or anything like that. But that's my settings. Hope you enjoyed the video, find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.